Hey guys, I hope you are all doing well. So today I'm going to be showing you how I mix Russell clay with a couple of Ayurvedic herbs in order to effectively cleanse my scalp and hair. And personally, I have found this method to be way more beneficial than using formulated shampoos from the store. I'm also going to have a little chit chat with you about conventional shampoos. So let's get into the video. So of course I will be using Russell clay, and to that I'm going to be adding some shikakai powder as well as some reefer powder. I'm going to be mixing my powders in with some aloe vera juice and some water. Not to worry, if you don't have any aloe vera juice, you can just substitute this with some water. Now what I'm going to do is add 3 tablespoons of Russell clay to a glass jar. And not to worry guys, I will be explaining the different benefits of everything that I'm using a little bit later on in the video. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of shikakai powder, and then I'm going to add a tablespoon of reefer powder as well. Right, so after giving that a little stir, I'm going to add 2 quarter cups of aloe vera juice to my herbs, and like I said, you can substitute this with water if you choose to. And I'm also going to add in a quarter cup of water to the mixture as well. Now you want to give this a really good stir and keep mixing until it resembles a nice frothy hot chocolate. Now it's up to you if you would prefer to have a thicker consistency by adding in more clay and less liquid, but I prefer mine to be of this consistency as it's a lot easier to rinse out of my hair. So going in with some of my essential oils, I'm going to firstly start with rosemary, and I'm going to add this for its antibacterial properties. So I'm just going to put 6 drops of that into there, and then I'm going to also add 6 drops of my peppermint oil as well. Big side note here guys, do not get this cleanser in your eyes because the shikakai will burn and make you feel like you have pepper sauce in your eyes. So keep your eyes closed when you are applying it. Now if you have longer hair than mine, feel free to double up on this recipe, and if you have shorter hair than mine, then of course you can half the mixture. So this mixture in total gives me about 10 ounces. Okay, so I am now ready to apply this to my hair. I've just finished giving myself a nice hot oil treatment, so I'm just undoing my twists, and then I'm going to drench my hair in water. And that's what you want to do. You want to make sure that your hair is drenched in water before you start to apply the clay and herbs to your scalp and to your hair. But I'm going to now put my hair into 4 sections and clip up the top half just to get it out the way so I can work on the back sections. So before applying the clay mixture, you want to give it a good shake, and then I am going to be applying this to my scalp first. It's important that you do that. You want to apply it to your scalp, and then you can then apply it to your roots and carry that through to the ends of your hair. Now don't be shy when it comes to this guys. Apply a load of this product to your scalp. Make sure that it is completely covered with the clay because we want to make sure that we get rid of any oil or any buildup or anything like that. So we want to apply it liberally. Oh, and if you do not have one of these silicone massagers that I purchased from Amazon, you are missing out. You need to get your hands on one of these. They are incredible at helping to remove all the buildup from your scalp, and they feel amazing on your scalp as well. It's just like getting, you know, a massage. So I would highly recommend that you get your hands on one of these massagers. They're only like a few pounds off of Amazon. So as you can see, I am applying the clay now to my hair, and if you take a close look, you can see the curl definition. Now yes, I do naturally have this type of curl definition, but when I shampoo my hair, you don't see that. All you're seeing is dryness and frizziness, but that does not happen when I apply the clay and these herbs to my hair. My hair feels so clean, so soft, and I can easily detangle my hair with the clay as well. Now, my hair has been detangled prior to this when I was doing my hot oil treatment, but this just helps to further detangle it. So if there's any other knots left over or any shed hair that needs to come out, it's very easy for me to get that out of my hair when I use clays in comparison to using shampoo. I mean, look at my hair, guys. Look at what the clay is doing to my hair. I would not get that with a shampoo. Total frizziness, I'm telling you. So once you have finished with this section, just twist it up and then we can move on to the next section. Now guys, I have to say that at the time of me recording this video, I have not used shampoo on my hair for about 6 months, and I will never ever go back to them. And that's because no matter what shampoo I try, it completely dries out my hair. I have tried numerous amounts of moisturizing shampoos, or so they claim, and my hair does not feel moisturized after I have used them. They always just leave my hair feeling stripped, and this is why I decided to try clays in the first place, and this is why now clays and herbs have replaced my conventional shampoo. Now, if you are someone who doesn't have the time to make your own hair cleanser, I would urge you to create that extra time, maybe by sacrificing scrolling on social media or waking up earlier to prepare your products, because your health is worth every bit of that sacrifice. Your health must come first, okay guys? And trust me when I say that I care about the health of your hair more than the corporations who are selling us the types of products that have ingredients in them that aren't even listed on the bottle, such as whatever chemicals are within the synthetic fragrances and the preservatives that give the products years and years of shelf life in order to benefit the pockets of the manufacturers and not necessarily benefit the health of your hair. So I encourage you to take away their power by taking control of the health of your own hair and take the time to put ingredients of nature onto your scalp and hair. Now, I say all of this not to judge you for what you choose to wash your hair with, but to show you that I care. I really care. And I guess I'm just tired. I'm tired of these big companies taking advantage of our lack of knowledge or our lack of time to create our own, or just our lack of not wanting to create our own because we're happy to rely on them to provide us with all of our hair care products, whilst they just sit there all happy to take our money without an actual genuine care for our health and well-being. So please do consider giving this hair cleanser a try and subscribing to my channel for more content in relation to journeying towards a more holistic way of living. I mean, I'm far from perfect and I know I never will be. We're all here just learning together. So now I have finished applying all of that clay to my hair, and I cannot tell you just how clean my hair feels. I am not exaggerating. My scalp is just all tingly from the peppermint and it feels so clean. This is how much product I was left with, and so I'm just going to pop my head into one of these plastic caps and I'm going to let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, prior to me rinsing out the clays, I just wanted to show you the results of my hair. Like, look at my hair for yourself and you can see that there is no way that a shampoo could give me these results. Like, come on. If you don't give this a try after you've watched this video, listen. But anyway, let's talk about the benefits of applying Russell clay to your hair. So it helps to remove impurities from the hair and scalp, such as excess oil and buildup. It nourishes and softens the hair. It contains minerals which help to strengthen the hair and follicles. It doesn't strip your hair of moisture, which is key to enabling you to retain moisture, and it reduces dryness, thus enhancing shine. And this is just to name a few of the benefits, guys. Now, I've done a video that goes into great detail about the benefits of not only the Russell clay, but also every single other herb that I use on my hair, and that video is linked below in the description. Now, shikakai helps to strengthen the hair and encourages healthy hair growth. It helps to prevent split ends, breakage and hair loss. It gets rid of dandruff, and it is rich in vitamins A, C, D, E and K. Reefer promotes hair thickness, strengthens the follicles, prevents breakage. It has amazing cleansing properties, helping to remove dirt and excess oil. So both Reefer and Shikakai, in conjunction with Russell Clay, is a really effective hair cleanser and is great for both the hair and the scalp. Now, hun, if you are getting any value whatsoever from my content, please do consider subscribing and giving this video a like, and even share it with your loved ones so that we can help as many people as possible with learning how to safely care for their hair holistically. And let me know your thoughts on this video as well. Have you tried using Russell Clay before in your hair? And if so, what was your experience? Have you ever tried any other herbs in your hair? Let's have a discussion in the comments so that we can all learn from each other. Now, I'm sure you can see the results of me applying Russell Clay, Shikakai and Reefer to my hair. My scalp is totally clean. My hair is clean, soft, but it's not stripped, guys. I'm telling you, like, this is a total game changer. And once you get used to making this clay and using it on a regular basis, I don't think you would go back to shampoos, you know. But if you do, I'm not here to judge, as I've said before. But look for yourself. Look at the curl definition. I'm sure you can see that it's clean. So I would highly recommend, please do give it a try. So the next step for me was to apply my Moisturising Deep Conditioning Treatment, and I have a video for that linked below in the description. But the following day, once I blow dried my hair, this was the result. Guys, what can I say? Clays and herbs are the one to use. Trust me on that. I have had no negative side effects whatsoever, only positive effects. And I would encourage you to give this video a watch, because if you found this video insightful, then you may just find that one insightful as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will look forward to seeing you all again in the next one. Take care, guys.